This full-size BRILLIO Electric Heated Blanket provides generous coverage for a bed or sofa, easily wrapping you in consistent warmth from head to toe. The combination of plush sherpa on one side and smooth flannel on the other makes the blanket feel luxuriously soft while still being breathable enough for long evenings of use. With 4 distinct heat settings and a simple detachable controller, it is easy to dial in a comfortable temperature whether you just want a mild boost or deep, steady heat. A built-in shut-off timer that runs for up to 10 hours, along with overheat protection and safety certification, adds reassuring peace of mind for overnight or all-day use. The heating elements warm up quickly, and the blanket can be machine-washed after removing the controller, so it stays fresh without a lot of maintenance hassle. Between the classic black and red check pattern, the cozy feel, and the practical safety features, this blanket works equally well as an everyday comfort upgrade or a thoughtful cold weather gift.